Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna show you guys Mike Myers, Dr. Seuss The Cat in the Hat on DVD. I paid $2.99 for this at Savers, my local Savers. This is the full screen edition. This movie was a part of my childhood. I remember watching this movie as a little kid and I enjoyed this movie. Now that I'm grown up, I still love this movie. I think this movie is like extremely funny and this movie is really good. I really enjoyed this film. Especially with Mike Myers, he's the actor, the only actor who could pull off this Cat in the Hat role like no other actor couldn't. If you like Dr. Seuss, if you like movies from him and or movies like that are by him, check this movie out. This movie is like extremely funny, really good. If you enjoyed this movie from your childhood, let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite memory from this movie as a kid. Here's the front of the cover. You got Cat in the Hat, played by Mike Myers, the actor. You got the fish in the bowl. It says full screen edition, full screen on the bottom. And it says ignored, mostly funny, by Jeffrey Lanos, NBC TV. On the top it says Mike Myers, Dr. Seuss, The Cat in the Hat. The DVD itself looks really nice, really cool. You got the cat in the hat wearing his hat and him looking in front of something, and you got the fish in the bowl. There's also a double feature with this movie and How the Grinch Stole Christmas together. I once saw that at Walmart one time, but that was in a full widescreen with this movie and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, which I thought it was pretty cool for to see this movie with How the Grinch Stole Christmas, like those two movies together. It was really cool to see that. Yeah, I enjoyed this movie as a kid. I still watch this movie still to this day, and I love this movie. It's one of my favorite childhood movies growing up as a little kid. I was pretty happy that my local Savers had a DVD copy in stock, and it was full screen, and the disc itself was in pretty good condition. I can't wait to watch this movie again and relive the childhood memory of watching this movie that I once did. If you guys are a huge fan of Dr. Seuss, if you haven't seen Mike Myers' Cat in the Hat, please do check this movie out. This movie is a really good movie to watch, especially if you had a childhood and you watched this movie. This movie's you're definitely the movie you want to watch and you definitely want to see. Uh, I would recommend it to anyone who is a fan of Mike Myers and who hasn't seen this movie yet. The cover of the movie looks really nice. I have seen this movie before at Walmart. It was like in the $5 bin, and I did see this movie. Like I said, I saw this DVD with the How the Grinch Stole Christmas together. I saw those two together when they were selling Christmas movies, and this movie and How the Grinch Stole Christmas was together in a double feature. I thought that was pretty interesting to see those two movies together. I never seen a double feature like that with How the Grinch Stole Christmas and Cat in the Hat together. The front, the spine, the back says the classic book comes to life. You got Mike Myers and Sally and Comrade. Clips from the movie. The running time is 1 hour and 22 minutes. It's rated PG for mid, good humor, and some double entendres. The movie does include 16 deleted scenes, behind the scenes of magic, the mother of all messes. Here's the storyline. You guys can read it. Pause it if you'd like. I'll leave it up for a few minutes. I like how the cover of the back looks like. You got Mike Myers, and he really did do a good job playing the Cat in the Hat, like in this movie. I think Michael Myers is like a very, he did a very great job playing the cat in this movie, Dr. Seuss movie. Cool. That's the disc. Nice artwork. Yep, that is the Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat on DVD, starring Mike Myers, full screen. Like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Bye.